National Weather Service in Marquette has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Iron County in south-central Upper Michigan, northern Dickinson County in south-central Upper Michigan, west-central Marquette County in north-central Upper Michigan, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 5:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Amasa, or 15 miles north of Crystal Falls, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Squaw Lake, Amasa, US 141. Between Covington and Amasa, Witch Lake, Republic, Silver Lake near Channing, Big Bass Lake and